Daisy packed 485 grams of peanut butter into each of 8 jars and had 1 kilogram, 650 grams of peanut butter left. How many kilograms of peanut butter did Daisy have at first? Okay, so let's see. All right, so it looks like we have to convert. Do you know how many grams are in a kilogram?
Yeah, 1,000.
Okay. So if she had already packed 485 into 8 jars and she had 1 kilogram and 650 grams of peanut butter left, it's asking how many did she have at first. So we have to convert the grams to kilograms.
Okay.
So let's start off by, okay, so um, are you familiar with the butterfly fraction technique?
No.
Okay, I'm gonna give you a little bit of a trick. So,
Okay.
okay, so you can see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's see. Okay, this is gonna be really bad. All right, but that's fine. So 1 in 1,000, right? So because we
Yeah.
have 1,000 grams in 1 kilogram. And so then we would, okay, make another fraction. Can you, oh, okay, so if we know that she had 1 kilogram and 650 grams left,
Yeah.
then we should add 1,000 to 650, correct? Is 650?
Yeah.
Okay, so that would make 1,650, right?
Yeah.
And then how many did she have at first? 485?
Yeah, there's the 485 of peanut butter. She packed it 485 grams of peanut butter into 8 jars.
Okay, so 485. I'm gonna do this. Or actually, okay, 485 times 8. Okay, you want to help me out here?
Okay.
Okay, so 8 times 5.
40. So
Okay.
you regroup the 4.
Mm-hmm.
And then 8 times 4, I mean 8 times 8 equals 64. And then you add the 4 equals 68.
Mm-hmm.
And then 4 times 8 equals 32 plus the 6 equals 38.
Yes. Okay. So 38, right? So this is how much she had when she packed it all into the jars, right?
Yeah.
And then she had this remaining. So now we have to add these two together.
Okay.
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 So, okay. Let's put this over here. Or actually, I'll just put it right here. Okay. So 0, and then 8 plus 5.
Is 13.
Mhm. And then, okay, 9 plus 6.
15. And
And
then
then 5.
5.
Yes. So she had 500. Okay. 500. And then, so now we're going to write this on the bottom,
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
And then we're trying to see how many out of 1,000, right?
Yeah.
And so these two cancel out.
Yeah.
because that would equal 1. And then,
Yeah.
okay. I'm so sorry. Forgive me. This is not what I was thinking. Okay, so now we're just going to divide this by 1,000.
Okay.
So do you know, yes, do you know the decimal trick with the zeros?
No.
Okay,
Like I know about decimals, but I don't know any tricks for them.
okay, I'm gonna show you a life-changing trick. So obviously this is a whole number.
Yeah.
We're gonna put a decimal at the end. And then
Okay.
of course it's gonna be a bunch of zeros, right?
Yeah.
You see how 1,000 has 3 zeros?
Yeah.
So if you're dividing by 10 or 100 or 1,000 or even 10,000, however many zeros is you're going to move the decimal to the left. So
Yeah.
we have 3 zeros. We go 1, 2, 3.
Oh,
Put the decimal there.
okay.
And then if it were the opposite, say we were multiplying, in this case we're not though, we would be going in the opposite direction.
Okay.
Does that make sense to you?
Yeah.
Okay. So now that we've divided 5,530 by 1,000, now that would give us 5.53.
0.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay.